Have you ever noticed how you always end up spending a little extra than you originally planned when buying things on Amazon or McDonald's? Well, this is all thanks to clever strategies like upselling and cross-selling that big companies use to boost their sales. For example, Amazon has this frequently bought together section on their product pages, and it also suggests extra products when you're on the cart page. This is called cross-selling, and it's like they can read your mind. And before you know it, you've added a few more items to your order. Then there's McDonald's. We all know you're never really ordering a burger without fries, right? But it doesn't stop there. After you add a burger, McDonald's lets you customize it on the checkout page, offering options to add sauces, upgrade the bun, or even turn it into a full meal. This is called upselling, and they'll even show you other recommended products like chicken nuggets or fries, making it super easy to add more to your cart. These are perfect examples of how upselling and cross-selling can drive sales and increase your average order value by 30%. The great news is that you don't need to be a huge brand to use these strategies. You can add these features to your store with a free plugin called Upsell+, and you don't need any coding skills to get it up and running. I've used it on over 10 different e-commerce sites without any issues. Whether you want to recommend products on the checkout page, cart page, or even show frequently bought together items on your product pages, this plugin makes it super simple. Alright, Upsell offers a free trial, but you can purchase the pro version if you like what I'll show next. Using my code, you can also get a 20% discount. So let's get started. I've already installed and activated the Upsell+ plugin on my WordPress site. And you can do the same by visiting the WordPress plugin repository, searching for Upsell+, and clicking on Install and Activate. Once installed, navigate to the plugin's dashboard to start creating your upselling and cross-selling offers. In this dashboard, you can track key metrics such as conversion rates, revenue, and products purchased. All the essential data you need to monitor how well your campaigns are performing. So, let's begin by setting up an upsell campaign. This can be used for products that are either not selling well or products that are best sellers and could benefit from additional promotion. To get started, click on Campaigns on the left-hand side, and you'll see several upselling campaign options like Checkout Upsell, Cart Upsell, and Frequently Bought Together. These three campaign options are available in the free version of the plugin. But if you want access to more advanced option, you would need to upgrade to the Pro version. Alright, let's proceed by selecting the Checkout Upsell campaign option, which will display an upsell offer during the checkout process. So, click Create New Campaign, and this will bring you to a page where you can configure the offer. The first thing you'll need to do is give this campaign a name. I'll name it Checkout Offer for easy access. Next, you need to select the display location of your upsell product. The placement of the upsell offer is crucial for maximizing its impact. So, make sure to choose the best location for your products. As we are making a Checkout Upsell campaign, I'll be using that, but the plugin offers several display locations including these. So I'll just select the bottom of the checkout page, but feel free to experiment with other placements based on what works best for your store. Now, it's time to choose which product you want to upsell. Click on Add Offer, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can select the product you want to upsell. From the product list, choose the item you'd like to feature in your upsell campaign. Once selected, you can set a discount for the upsell offer. In this example, I set the discount to 5%. You also have other discount types to choose from, like fixed amounts or percentage values. Since I'm happy with the 5% discount, I'll leave it as is. Once done, click Save, and your upsell offer will be added. On the right side of the page, you'll see additional options to manage when the upsell offer goes live. And you can even set an end date for the offer. This is handy if you want to run limited time promotions. And you can set the priority for the upsell offers if you're planning to run multiple upsell campaigns at the same time. Once everything is set, save the campaign and close the page. Remember, since we are using the free version of the plugin, we can only add one upsell product at a time. If you want to add more offers, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro version. Back in the main dashboard, you'll see all the upsell campaigns you've created. Here, you can track their performance, and if you need to, you can also deactivate any campaigns you don't want to run at the moment. This feature gives you the flexibility to easily manage multiple upsell and cross-sell offers. Before you go live, it's important to test whether the upsell offer is functional. But before that, adding a lot of products to upsell in your checkout page can eventually slow it down. and you don't want your customers to abandon their purchase, right? So my team have made this free plugin called Airlift, which optimizes your site in just one click. All you have to do is add your site link here, and Airlift runs a bunch of optimizations in the backend to take your page speed score from this to this. Also, Airlift works perfectly with Upsell WP, so you won't run into any compatibility issues either. Alright, now let's go ahead and test our checkout page to see if the upsell offer is working. Add a product to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. You will see the upsell offer appears at the bottom of the checkout page, exactly where we placed it earlier with the 5% discount applied. Here, the customer can select the quantity of the upsell product they want, and once they check the box, the product will be added to the cart with the updated cart value reflecting the discount. In addition to the checkout upsell, you can also set up a cart upsell. This feature allows you to recommend complementary products on the cart page, essentially cross-selling products that go well with what the customer is already purchasing. To set up a cart upsell, click on Cart Upsells and follow the same steps as we did for the checkout upsell. Then create a new campaign. Name it Cart Options. Set the display location to top of the cart page and click Add Offer to choose your upsell product and set the discount value. Once again, the only difference here is where the upsell product appears on the site at the top of the cart instead of the checkout page. Now, let's test the cart upsell. Go back to your store, add another product to the cart, and proceed to the cart page. You'll see the upsell offer at the top of the page just as we set it. From here, you can select the product and add it to the cart. When you proceed to checkout, you'll see the updated cart with the discount applied to the subtotal. Finally, I'll quickly show you how you can add a frequently bought together section. In my opinion, this is the best upselling feature because the suggested products are very much likely to be bought by the customer. The idea behind this is that suggested products match the customer's interest and gets clubbed easily for a better deal. For this, again, we'll start by selecting the frequently bought together option from the campaign screen. On this screen, you can add all these options under products. If you select the use related product option, it will automatically suggest the related products right on the product page like Amazon does. And if you get the Pro version, you can suggest specific products and many other customizations. Lastly, on the top of this screen, you can add these filters and select specific products with specific categories. But I'll just stick to the default settings. Okay, let's save the campaign and check it on the product page. I'll go to a plant website, and as you can see, there's a bunch of different products here. Let's select this, and as you can see, when I scroll down, you will see the frequently bought together section here with all the products clubbed together. I can even click here to add all the 3 products to the cart, and you can purchase it by going to the checkout page. As you can see, setting up upselling and cross-selling strategies on your site is super easy with the Upsell WP plugin. And it's all done without needing coding skills. And the best part, you can get started right now with the free version of the plugin and see the difference it makes. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. Click this video if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.